When the Alpine Club was founded in 1857, it became the first climbing club in the world. Its members were explorers, alpinists and academics who shared a passion for the mountains. They promoted good style, respect for the high places, and brought the mountains to the public through art and culture. And today, it's much the same. From experienced pioneering mountaineers to those taking their first steps into alpine climbing, we are a global community, dedicated to the development of alpinism, the protection of the mountain environment, and the celebration of mountain culture. Members benefit from access to mountain huts, expedition funding, the mentorship of world-class alpinists, and the use of our incredible mountain library. If your aspirations lie in the mountains, we can help make them a reality.